and that happens, you can get a quick move in the other direction. Here's Euro. Again, this is basically the inverse of DXY. We've got 5 waves up from the March 2020 low, 1, 2, big 3, 4, 5. This is actually a little cleaner in terms of pattern. As I'm speaking right now, we are trading 115.85, testing that lower channel level, parallel channel, right? Origin of A, end of A, B, C. Possible that we get a bottom down here. 2 legs down, by the way, from that January high is 1621. This is actually the November 4th low, which is from the election, which is what we call in Elliott the former 4th wave of 1 less degree. So we'd be looking for support down here anyway. But here's the deal. So it's not about trying to predict what's going to happen. It's about having a game plan for what could happen. So as we're sitting here, if we get a reversal signal right now, I'd be looking for upside. However, if we break down, right, the market's changed, then we're looking for extensions on the downside. The extensions, as far as channels are concerned, you have the half extension, which happens to coincide with the 618 retracement of that entire rally from the March 2020 low at 112.90, right? So it would look something like this. By the way, kudos to the guys at TradingView who have put this together. They put this new little, if I can find it, this little, where is it? I'll find it somewhere. The path, there it is. All right, so you break down like this, right? Then you'd be looking for that to provide resistance. So that is polarity. So I love to talk about polarity because everyone thinks about support resistance on kind of a horizontal basis. So you have support, resistance, breaks above, comes back, former resistance provides support, vice versa, right? Because the people that, sold over here, they get out, now they're natural buyers. Well, the same thing happens on a parallel basis, so on an angle. So if we break below here, we'll be looking for resistance up here, right? So keep that in mind as we move forward. It's not about predicting, it's about understanding what is happening in the market at that time, right? The changes that have happened. So if we break down here, sellers have overwhelmed. If we come back to it, look for that level to provide resistance, not just because it's 116, because that was a former low, but because it's also a parallel, right?